Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, make una carry chair, carry joko, make una come here story. This story when I carry can't give una so now from Umoji. Listen from the beginning to the end though. No be saying I can't go twist and can't carry the matter go twist and as it take come for Umoji. I not use the story to send person message. I no use and send person message as they take carry and come for Umoji. Now I won't tell you now. Anybody will carry the story twist and you are your own. I not send anybody message to carry this story to put on your page to twist it. As they take carry and come for Umoji. Now I won't give you now. For some days now, Juju Ekwensu has been missing from social media. We know they see Juju Ekwensu. A lot of people have been saying different things about her. But the fact is that something else is happening. Something strange is happening behind closed door. My people, there is no peace for the wicked. There is no peace for the wicked. Person wey tell you say karma no dey, the person dey lie. Try do bad thing, and then you go know say karma dey exist. Ekwensu romance Mami Water. She disappeared from social media. She no show her face again. She no come out. Can't tell Luna. How far and Mr. Obasi they go. Many people they say Mr. Obasi don't pursue her enters. Say she dey shame after everything. Some people say my nation don't pursue her. But the fact is different from that. Juju Ekwensu cannot show her face. She cannot. The pains she's going through now is like a woman in labor. You know close to that pain. If you are a mother, you don't born, you get pikin, you will understand. If you have a child, you understand the pains of labor. Juju Ekwensu pains is close to a woman in labor. Where the face we won't show for social media. You know, say when person dey healthy, he will not know the value of that being healthy until that person is sick. When somebody is down, now they know the meaning of being healthy. Ekwensu romance Mami Water. She's going through a lot. She's going through a lot. And according to the people of Umoji, they say na Mr. Obasi na he dey do am. While some other people say na wetin they throw na he return back to Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu o na see so. Juju Ekwensu dey Umoji o. Juju Ekwensu they don't carry and go Umoji. Hey. Una never know wetin dey happen. Okay. When I tell una say una carry chair, balance and listen, it's not a joking matter. Juju Ekwensu is in Umoji. Now Umoji will forget the details. Somebody there. Now he carry come give us. Juju Ekwensu woke up in the morning. According to them, they say she woke up in the morning, her leg come dey scratch her. Now so she come dey scratch the leg. She come dey scratch her. As she dey scratch and the thing come dey swell up. She can't say maybe na mosquito or maybe spider or something bite her. She come dey scratch her. The thing come dey swell up. Come dey swell up. Come dey swell up. They come carry red oil, carry different things put. Before he could get to before evening go reach, the leg don't big. The leg don't big. It can't swell up. The leg can't swell up. To the extent, she no fit come dey raise the leg waka. The leg can't swell up, it can't big. They come dey look and they come carry different kind of ointment they put. The next day, pus don dey come out for the leg. I say this one pass them. Now they carry Juju Ekwensu rush go hospital. As they carry Juju Ekwensu rush go hospital, Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water, they reach hospital. Now ointment they still give them. all those cream wey they rub and oil, and they still give am say make she rub for her leg. As Juju Ekwensu romance Mami water rub the things for her leg finish, she go as the pus burst, begin to bring smelling water. Before that same day finish, the leg don dey smell, don dey rotty. The leg don dey smell. 2 days attack. Now his sister and his mama say, Oja, quick. This one not become Abuja. This na come Umoji. So they secretly carry Juju Ekwensu from Abuja. Secretly. Dodge. Carry and go village. They come carry and go village. As he reach village, they begin to call all the strong native doctor when they know. Now dear Umoji people come tell you say, they don't carry the woman away go break Percy house. You know, say na so they call them home wrecker. They don't carry Juju Ekwensu, Mongalu daughter, when he go break another woman marriage. They don't carry her come back with sickness. Now so the news come dey spread for Umoji. Trust village people. They no go one year story like that. They go one see. Now so they take go, they go Mama Juju Ekwensu house. As they reach there, Juju Ekwensu leg don dey smell. They throw away pus. It dey smell. Village people reach there. They saw it with their eyes. The leg don dey rotty from down they come. The other one pus stay. All the pus they throw away water. All of them call they do to fear kwa. Wetin happen? They say na something bite am. It dey scratch am. For 2 days, the thing they carry and go hospital. Hospital no see cure. They give una wetin they give una for hospital no cure am. Now Umoji people say, hand don finally meet Juju Ekwensu. As they tell am simple say, comot for that marriage or go beg that woman. She no wan hear. She won't use her head now to pay for the damage when it cause mother and her children. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Before I go into the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe. I beg, make una subscribe. Subscription are free. Subscribe, thumbs up. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I love you all. God bless you. Now so they come begin to look for strong native doctor. Her sister no fit do anything. Her sister no even fit do anything. Her sister go shake. You know say her sister they shake. Her sister they shake things for people. She go shake. She no fit see. She no fit see wetin they do Juju Ekwensu. They started running up and down, looking for strong native doctor. They come begin to call different native doctor. May they come treat Juju Ekwensu. All the native doctor where they come, they talk different things. They say that they see different things. Some go say na abomination wey she commit. Some go say na person lay curse on her. Some go say people throw poison for ground. You know all these native doctor na different things so they call they talk. Some go say they no even the road no even clear. Like the person wey do Juju Ekwensu, they block road. They no fit see wetin dey worry am. My people no be small thing no. Na so Juju Ekwensu condition come dey critical for them until they come see one strong native doctor when they carry come. They say as they see Juju Ekwensu. Now they see her tell Juju Ekwensu say, now your evil, now they worry you. You're evil. You are a wicked woman. You are a wicked woman. Say all the bad way you they do, now they return to you. Say the evil way you Juju Ekwensu do, now they worry. Say this is called payback time. Payback time. He said Juju Ekwensu, you offended people. He said all the evil way you do. He said go confess. He said make Juju Ekwensu go confess. He say if he not confess, he say this thing I go buy am. He say see Juju Ekwensu see grave. He say RIP they turn around Juju Ekwensu. He say now go Juju Ekwensu see so. He say they don't come. He say see the spirit of the ancestors. They don't they play band for Juju Ekwensu. He say every seer they don't blind their eye because they don't they call am. Because they don't they call Juju Ekwensu. He say now payback time. Now they worry Juju Ekwensu. All the evil way do. Juju Ekwensu mama come ask the seer say, who can cause this one for a pikin? They say the native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu mama say, how many people your pikin don't offend? How many people your pikin don't buy? How many home your pikin don't destroy? You think say everybody they let go. What about her ex-husband? What about her ex-husband? Is that man happy? Where the ex-husband is now? Is he happy? Hey, my people, the native doctor tell them. He said, see Juju Ekwensu grave. He said, that's why all native doctor know they see road. The thing not they clear. Because they don't they call him. Now, buy she won't buy so. This leg, when he rotty, when he don't the rotty from that place they come, he go rotty, go up, everything go come. She not so she never buy, she'll just rotty finish till she buy. Now the native doctor tell Mama Juju Ekwensu say, for a person to carry that kind of sickness, now be say you overdo. You overdo. That person hand is not clean at all. The person overdo. Now Mama Juju Ekwensu call the beg. He say, I beg, me they help them. Now the native doctor say help. Spiritual sickness, spiritual attack. Who won't help you? May go face problem. Now Juju Ekwensu mama call the beg. He call the beg the native doctor. He say you are a strong man. They say nothing when you know the reverse. Big go help them. Big go help them. Now the native doctor come tell Mama Juju Ekwensu say, if he go help una on one reason, now he go tell help una. All the people where Juju Ekwensu offend, all the people when he buy, she go apologize. She go beg. The ones where she buy, she go tell their family. She go beg. Now Mama say they go do am. The native doctor tell them say, he no want cure the sickness. So he won't carry the sickness put on hold because he no fit carry the sickness cure. He cannot cure the sickness. But he can carry the sickness and put it on hold. Make Juju Ekwensu go beg, make go do the needful. Then they'll come do the sacrifice what they need to do. So that this sickness go clear come off our body. So that this sickness go clear come off our body. But if she refuse, the sickness will return. He go heal am, he go cure am, he go well. But remember, the sickness never go. They put it on hold. Spiritually, that sickness they on hold. If Juju Ekwensu not do the needful, it will return back to her. All the people where you offend, they say no be only me Edochie house, now it don't break. They say he break another person home before he meets you for inside that same industry. She was dating a married woman. She was dating a married man, another married man. He and that one wife, they come crash. That one wife not be like me Edochie. That one wife, they waka native daughter too. That one wife, now he throw one sickness where they worry Juju Ekwensu for lap, when they make her no fit dey wear short cloth, where they make her dey wear buba. Juju Ekwensu lap now. Sometimes that sickness go, it go come back. If you see, it be like blah blah cro. Sarah Martins now they help on that time. So according to the native doctor, she don't scatter many home. That woman they waka native doctor. For that woman to throw that sickness, give Juju Ekwensu, that kind of person can go far. Then they say she committed abomination in her husband's house. The ancestors of Mr. Obasi, they are still after her. They say she pull hand, she buy people just for her selfish desire. So the native doctor talk a lot of things, so a lot. Before the native doctor, all of them come, they beg. Some village people were there. Some village people, because the man, when he see Juju Ekwensu case, he say make they bring her come Market Square. Say now there, now for go judge, now for go do anything. Make the spirit, make their eye, they reach everything. Because wetin dey worry Juju Ekwensu, he no fit explain. He say wetin they do Juju Ekwensu, now wetin they no fit explain give you ma. He take only the spirit to understand wetin they do am. He say na the evil wey Juju Ekwensu do, na the warrior. The evil wey she put her hand. He say it too many. He say the atrocity of this woman too many. He say where is he going to start from? He said the man where you deal with presently is a curse. Is a curse. The man, the native doctor said that curse, he said now Juju Ekwensu children go use their head carry am. He said Juju Ekwensu, said that man when he deal with presently, he said the children where Juju Ekwensu born, he said now they will pay. He said that one not being the worry Juju Ekwensu at all now. He said because Juju Ekwensu children, now he go pay for that thing where Juju Ekwensu do. We go carry another man, another woman husband put for his house. When he be say the woman, we be say that woman, they destroyed her. They say Umoji put hand for head though. Umoji put hand for head. For the native doctor can't give the medicine. The native doctor, they say he carried the leaf as they use and they rub Juju Ekwensu leg, see pus when they come outside. Now so they smell. See pause when they come outside. The native doctor can't give them, can't say 2 days. 2 days, everything go disappear. Everything where they Juju Ekwensu leg say go disappear. He said because not be physical attack, say not spiritual attack. He said that thing where just they show for physical. Now waiting they will say take by and be that. But spiritual. Say Juju Ekwensu that leg they don't chop and finish. He said that thing where just dey physical, so he said not just make the photo say see we take by him. He said that thing where they do and say not spiritual attack. That's why nothing can cure it. He said not spiritual sickness. So they say the native doctor can't give them something. No, it's made the rub. Say 2 days, this whole thing will disappear. But Juju Ekwensu need to go and do the needful. May go beg everybody where you offend. If not, this thing will return back. And if you return back, any native doctor will go there, go check, go buy. My lovely fans, una see where Juju Ekwensu dey. Una where they find Juju Ekwensu. She don't come up for social media. She don't go here, go there. Juju Ekwensu not go anywhere. How they meet Juju Ekwensu? How they meet Juju Ekwensu? They tell you now for inside. Una ato, mumu, ewu tenje, amu bingo. Ewu na make me they call her ewu. Do you know what Juju Ekwensu family told you? They tell you say this sickness say na me edoshe na itran can't give Juju Ekwensu. Mama Juju Ekwensu they tell you say see wetin my daughter they go through because of your wife. See wetin my daughter they go through. They no fit tell you waiting they happen to their daughter. They don't even know how serious the condition of Juju Ekwensu leg is now. They hide them. They don't want me to see them. So this year I don't tell them. If they like, let them go and beg. If they like, make them no beg. They say the way this thing go take strike Juju Ekwensu again go shock am. And that time, you no go see it for inside. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end though. Umoji people say now waiting make Juju Ekwensu escape. They say he do Umoji. He do Umoji. Juju Ekwensu na night they take rush and go Umoji to go save her from her atrocity. And remember, she is not saved. If she not do the needful, this thing will strike back. Hey! Wonder shall never end. How can somebody just snatch a husband, use this scatter a life? As in mama and the family waka native daughter reach, so there was no native daughter that warned them against the atrocity that will before them. I know very well that Ugezu, they warned them that time. Tell them, say, make them remove their hand from evil. Say the thing will go before them, it go too bad. But they believe that they are strong. Now only this native doctor na come now. Come save Juju Ekwensu. Come save her. Say make them abeg, make them forgive her, make them let her go do the apology. Then they will come and do the sacrifice. If they will accept. If they will accept. Sacrifice not say me you not do am, but will they accept? My people, wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.